All right, our Play-Doh challenge. So we're gonna give ourselves a minute and a half to make whatever it is we draw out of our little container here. We're gonna draw our first item.
It's an ant.
Ready, set, go.
This challenge works great for family fun, a church activity, or even a school activity.
Use parts of this black. Can I sing the ants go marching for all? How many legs do ants have?
I don't know.
8 seconds remaining. Oh, yours is so much better than mine.
So look at it.
Our next one, you ready to draw for our next one?
Teddy bear.
Ready, set, go. Oh, a blue one. Oh my, I'm gonna need all 30 seconds to get this lid off. I should have made a purple teddy bear. I like purple teddy bears. Okay, I'm making an ear. Oh, it's just such a beautiful ear. If nothing else, I'll have a hearing teddy bear. Even if he has no head and no body, he'll have ears. And his ears are so much bigger than his head.
So are mine.
Maybe we decided to make bunny rabbits.
They can look like mouse ears.
Oh my, yes, this definitely resembles a bunny rabbit.
Mine actually looks like a koala.
Oh dear. And I have 29 seconds to go.
Alright. Some beautiful purple going on here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with purple, but we can have a little button or two. Some eyeballs. Oh, he has one eye.
Oh, how cute. You keep doing 3D and I keep doing flat. I'm going to have to try 3D next time. That is such a cute teddy bear. I
He
love
looks
it.
like a koala.
Do you see my bunny? Hop, hop, hop.
You can utilize Bible-themed items in order to tailor this to a church
What
setting.
beautiful item do we have?
An ark.
An ark. All right, get ready, set, and go. And this time my lid's already off.
This activity is enjoyable for all ages.
I don't know that my 3D will happen this time. We'll see what occurs. I don't know why I said 3D. I think this might look more like the basket Moses would put in, or, you know, maybe one of those rowboats. Looks like a canoe.
Mine looks like a submarine with wings.
Well, an ark needs to be enclosed, I must say. Yeah, this should not have been a 3D.
Nope.
A 3D venture.
Put windows on here.
Alright, time's up.
Oops, my horn fell off.
A horn?
I put a giraffe on there.
Oh! Such a brilliant idea.
It looks like a submarine with the wings. A snowman.
Oh, so much easier. Get ready, get set, and go.
Oh, I'm going to do a different arm. And here I was waiting for you to get the lid off. Alright. Oh, look! Looks like a melted marshmallow. It does. We should have gotten a marshmallow one. I could have just set that straight up. Was using a light pink there. 10 seconds. That's shaping up to be a pirate hat. That was not my intentions. There's your face on my just cool hair.
Hi, very cool. I like it. The nice blue snowman. With some,
Dancing.
yeah, bobbing the hair. Mine looks kind of, alright, what do we have?
A butterfly.
I'm gonna start our timer and go. That is why we give ourselves an extra 30 seconds from our original 1 minute time. Oh, you're probably doing 3D again, aren't you?
Yeah, I probably should stop that.
Well, that always looks so nice. I like it. You have 11 seconds.
They may not have antennas.
That's okay. Like, I'm gonna stop there because I have 1 second. Super cute! I like it! That is adorable.
Lion.
Ready? Set? Go. Orange. Orange. Ah, there we go. Finally. Alright, if nothing else, my tiger shall have a name. Lion. An animal of great strength.
With teeth and claws. No head.
Did you say a no head?
Knock that head off.
What's okay? I'm using the table as my actual head, and then the mane is. Oh, pause.
And no back legs.
Oh, that is so cute! I love it! My phone just going off there like crazy. Adorable!
A pirate.
Get ready, get set, and go.
If you are implementing this in a classroom, you can utilize it as an opportunity to review different items of study. You can also have the students write a story over their personal, creative piece.
What do we have?
An angel.
Oh my, an angel. Okay, get ready, set, and go.
Could you hand me the white, please?
You're welcome. Let's see. Eyeballs. He'll just have orange on the eyeballs. 2 seconds. He'll have 2 eyeballs and nothing else.
He's falling.
Ooh, I like it.
That's supposed to be a harp.
Okay. I was gonna ask what that was. Good
It
job.
was either a harp or one of those little things.
Is it a
Saxophone.
saxophone? Good job.
A dinosaur.
We only have 30 seconds. 15. 6.
Looks more like a dragon.
Good job.
It just won't stand up.
Good job. What do we have?
A heart.
A heart, and we have 30 seconds. Get ready, get set, go. Pink and an opened pink. Urgh. Ooh, this is not gonna look like a heart. Apparently I can't make a heart. Of course, I don't draw hearts very well either, so they never look like a heart in general. And I got 5 seconds left to make a non-looking heart. Ah! Well, this looks like a blob.
Mine's a little offset.
And
A flower.
a flower. Get ready, get set, and go. "17 seconds. 4 seconds. Done. How'd you do? Very
Looks
nice.
like a tree.
It just kind of looked like a tree. That is still cute.
If you are utilizing this activity in a school setting, such as an art class or a brain break in class, I would suggest you allow the students some time at the end to create an art piece all of their own. Make sure you let them know this time will be provided. This will really benefit the perfectionists in the group.